Hi buddy, Papa Kenny from Papa Kenny's Workshop over here at G Daddy's Garage. Brand new garage he built. He's getting there, pretty close. Anyways, we got this Kubota mini excavator. Just got done replacing a hydraulic line that runs from right in here, up there into the pump. So I just finished that up, and next we're gonna tackle, sorry about the echo if you hear it. Take a look at these teeth, they're worn out on the bucket. So we're gonna cut these off, build up what we have to build up, and we got some new teeth that we're gonna put on. So I'm gonna get all set up, get the GoPro on a tripod, and get after it. Okay, so I don't know how well you guys can see this, but in these teeth, they got a hole. So when they mounted these new ones on the original bucket, they welded it all the way around instead of setting a pin through. So the only thing I got to go by is them holes. So I'm lining the holes up with the new tooth, and that'll give me my mark. But as I'm cutting this, I gotta make sure I don't get down into the original tooth. I can tell by different color sparks, different kind of steels give off different color sparks. So that's something I watch for when I'm cutting this. But there's a whole lot of welding that I'm gonna have to grind and bevel. But basically I'm marking out this thing and trying to get it somewhat square. Get my marker here. It's the only thing I got to go by. Like this one, barely there. I'm learning on the fly, folks. I'm not a professional welder, and I don't pretend to be. So I'm learning on the fly. I am going to end up welding these with the stick welder, probably a 7/18 rod, instead of MIG welding. Alright, so I got it marked. I'm going to try to cut these things all the way around. Let's see how it goes. I'll cut as much as I can, and I'll chisel it off a little at a time. Take it a little bit at a time. Once I get it started, it comes right off. Just like that. One side. This side's ready to pop right off. Just like that. Alright, I had to put a new disc on the wheel of death. Don't let anybody kid you. They call this thing the wheel of death for a reason. It'll come apart and go right through you. So watch out, this thing spins off, run and hide. Get out of the way. Like that. Then you take one of the new teeth, and that's what we're going to be welding on them like that. So I'll get these all cut off, and we'll clean them up, and we'll get ready to weld on. How am I doing, guys? I know there's quite the echo over here, but hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Get any comments, leave them down below. Like I said, I'm not a professional welder, and I don't whatever. Alright, we're just gonna keep cutting away here. Alright, so I was able to pop out a couple pins. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer. Right there. And that one there. I'm working on this one. There's no pin left on that one. Barely a little bit left here. Right there, you can see. So I'll be able to slide them in, put the pins in, and weld it around. But we're gonna see what G-Daddy wants to do. Alright, I'm gonna keep at it. Alright, so we got them, got the teeth off. I don't know how well you can see. Let me fold this up. Alright, we got them all cleaned up. And I thought he had 2 sets of teeth, but he just came in with these ones here. I'll set you up over here and show you what's going on. Sorry about moving you all around. Alright, so alright, so the ends I'm going to have to build up with a little bit, but as you can see, they're almost in a straight line. I'm going to have to play with this one a little bit. Get it square. But once I get them all square and tack them up, I'll get these all squared up and tack them on, and then we'll come along with the stick welder with a 70-18 rod and weld them all up in place. So that's going to be it for today, folks. Tomorrow is another day. It's still pouring out over here in the northeast, so I appreciate you all watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow when we weld these teeth back on. I appreciate you all watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Papa Ken's Workshop. I appreciate it. Don't forget to share the video. And once again, pound that like button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.